non-attachment. Subhuti said, "Deep is the essential original nature of the dharmas." The Lord said, "Because it is isolated." Subhuti said, "Deep is the essential nature of perfect wisdom." The Lord said, "Because its essential nature is pure and isolated, therefore has the perfection of wisdom a deep essential nature." Subhuti said, "Isolated is the essential nature of perfect wisdom. I pay homage to the perfection of wisdom." The Lord said, "Also all dharmas are isolated in their essential nature, and the isolatedness of the essential nature of all dharmas is identical with the perfection of wisdom. For the Tathagata has fully known all dharmas as not made." Subhuti said, "Therefore all dharmas have the character of not having been fully known by the Tathagata." The Lord said, "It is just through their essential nature that those dharmas are not a something. Their nature is no nature, and their no nature is their nature, because all dharmas have one mark only, that is, no mark. It is for this reason that all dharmas have the character of not having been fully known by the Tathagata. For there are no two natures of dharma, but just one single one is the nature of all dharmas. And the nature of all dharmas is no nature, and their no nature is their nature. It is thus that all those points of attachment are abandoned." Subhuti said, "Deep, O Lord, is the perfection of wisdom." The Lord said, "Through a depth like that of space." Subhuti said, "Hard to understand, O Lord, is the perfection of wisdom." The Lord said, "Because nothing is fully known by the enlightened." Subhuti said, "Unthinkable, O Lord, is the perfection of wisdom." The Lord said, "Because the perfection of wisdom is not something that thought ought to know, or that thought has access to." Subhuti said, "Not something made is the perfection of wisdom, O Lord." The Lord said, "Because no maker can be apprehended." Subhuti said, "How then under these circumstances should a bodhisattva course in perfect wisdom?" The Lord said, "A bodhisattva courses in perfect wisdom if, while coursing, he does not course in the skandhas, or if he does not course in the conviction that the skandhas are impermanent, or that they are empty, or that they are neither defective nor entire, and if he does not even course in the conviction that form is not the defectiveness or entirety of form, and so for the other skandhas. Then he courses in perfect wisdom." Subhuti said, "It is wonderful, O Lord, how well the reasons for the attachment and non-attachment of the bodhisattvas have been explained." The Lord said, "One courses in perfect wisdom if one does not course in the idea that form is with attachment or without attachment. And as for form, so for the other skandhas, the sight organ, etc., to feeling born from eye contact. So for the physical elements, the 6 perfections, the 37 wings of enlightenment, the powers, the grounds of self-confidence, the analytical knowledge, the 18 special Buddha dharmas, and the fruits of the holy life, from the fruit of a stream winner to all knowledge. When he or she courses thus, a bodhisattva does not generate attachment to anything, from form to all knowledge. For all knowledge is unattached. It is neither bound nor freed, and there is nothing that has risen above it. It is thus, Subhuti, that bodhisattva should course in perfect wisdom through rising completely above all attachments."